Hi all, welcome back. So today let us see wild animals. Wild animals. Some animals live in jungle. They are called wild animals. We can see them in a zoo or in a forest. Monkey. A, n, k, e. Monkey. E-Y says here E. Here letter O is telling his lazy sound. Monkey. O, I, a, n. Lion. Here also the letter O is telling his lazy sound. Here also letter O is telling his lazy sound because there is a rule. Whenever the letter O is near to N, M, T, H, V or W, the letter O says is lazy sound. Giraffe. J, E, R, A, F. E is silent. Giraffe. Here G is telling J sound because after G the letter I has come. After G E comes or after G I comes or after G Y comes, the G says the sound of J. J. Okay. It's not always, usually. Okay. B, air, bear. Here EA is telling long A sound. T, I, G, R. Tiger. Zebra. Z, E, B, B, R is a blend. You have to read quickly. Zebra. Zebra. Here the letter A is telling his broad sound. D, ear, deer. Kangaroo. K, A, ng, R, U. Kangaroo. Elephant. A, O, E, F, A, N, Elephant. F, ox. Fox.